Now, Kerala is to do with traditional medicine. We have established ourselves in an 80-year-old company and established ourselves in 1948. We are, people believe in preserving the essence of Ayurveda, and our family has preserved this essence, and we've taken all efforts to spread its teachings and knowledge globally. Ayurveda mainly teaches us prevention is better than cure, and we are a gateway to do exactly that. Our motto has always been health through Ayurveda, and it's evident from the growth of the wellness industry that has taken place over here, and people moving to seek more a healthier growth, healthier attitude, and lifestyle. A society has set up performance benchmarks, which is increasing with every generation. Everyone is working hard, trying to meet their their deadlines and goals, competing with each other, and little knowing that the toll that they're taking on the body, not only physically but emotionally. And the best solution for all this is Ayurveda. Ayurveda is also recognized as a pivotal player in preventive and curative medicine. So if any problems are physical, emotional, or tensions, or any aches and pains, you could always come in and get an Ayurvedic therapy done or maintain your body in this wellness aspect of what Ayurveda is offering. Statistics says that there's almost 30% growth in this field, and which is highly incredible. And in India itself, there is a 10 billion US dollars business. I must say the Kerala has already gone international before even making its footprints in the national market. Rebranding and adapting are necessities for global assistance when moving to international waters. This can include multiple aspects. Brand mismatch has to be addressed to when you are going into an international market. If literal and colloquial translation of your brand name means something different in that market or language, then this has to be adapted to. It goes without saying that one has to follow the rules and regulations of that country, because every country has its own legal stipulations, and one has to follow them to make that you follow all the norms and everything is kept in place. Also register your identity, logos and slogans, etc., to protect your intellectual property. Educate the masses, teach them what the benefits and what they would acquire from this, and then create the demand in the market. And in this way, you could then position yourself as to what you really want to sell. For example, if the country is looking for something to look about weight loss programs, that is what you think should be what the country really wants. So you should position your service to that sector and cater to this desire that is required. Next, it is that to maintain your quality and to stand for what you think about, and to propel your heritage and to make it relevant in the country that you entered, the market that you entered. It's very essential to have a local partner. That's a key factor who's really enthusiastic and believes in your brand and will take care of your products and brands in that particular country. Now, with growth comes need for internal changes. So Kerala also underwent a complete internal structure of entities that existed within its brand. Now we have 11 separate verticals and have its own process flows, so that reporting system and to facilitate the operations of the larger global organization. At Kerala, the foreign opportunities and exposures and monetary benefit it brings along with this personal benefits through trainings act as incentives for local resources. The Kerala group has pioneered in Ayurveda and has 4 wings now. We have the Kerala Ayurvedic Center, the Kerala Hospitality, the Kerala Pharmaceuticals, and the Kerala Panchakarma and Training Institute. We are now in 3 countries, 3 continents, 10 countries, and 35 locations. We also been awarded and has been recognized worldwide, and the latest award is the World Luxury Award 2002. India today also has taken us as a top 5 wellness destination in this year, October.